Hi everyone, I'm Salah Hashemi, and today I want to talk about a new feature in Laravel 9.48, the increment each method. Let's take a look at this example. Here's some piece of code that uses the Laravel's query builder. We have a table named products and a var method, and I want to use the increment method here so I can increment the column that I want. But if I want to increment multiple columns, what to do? We cannot do that easily. We can probably duplicate this line of code or use update method like this. Update and in store increment by 2, but we cannot write it like this in a single quotation. We must use db raw and then in stock plus 2. Again, we have another column in stock. This way we can update two columns with new incremented values. But in Laravel 9.48, the new version of Laravel, we have a new method, increment each. This method allows you to increment multiple columns in a single database table with a single query, and I'll show you how it works in just a moment. We write this method increment each, and then we will pass an array like this easily. We have an array of column like this. The in-store column is being incremented by 2, and the in-stock column is being incremented by 3 easily. The result of this query will be that the specified columns in this product table will be incremented by the specified values, and the updated column will be updated to the current time. And that's it. The increment each method is a great addition to Laravel's query builder, and it makes it easy to increment multiple columns in a single database table with a single query. Thanks for watching. I'm Salah Hashemi, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.